Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this KuCoin review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. KuCoin, a comprehensive cryptocurrency exchange platform review. KuCoin is a well-established global cryptocurrency exchange platform recognized for its extensive selection of supported digital assets and sophisticated trading tools. Catering to both novice and seasoned traders, KuCoin provides a diverse range of investment avenues, encompassing spot trading, margin trading with leverage, futures trading, and various staking options. With support for over 200 cryptocurrencies, the platform presents an excellent opportunity for users seeking portfolio diversification. A significant advantage of KuCoin lies in its competitive fee schedule. The platform employs a flat 0.1% trading fee for both maker and taker orders, a rate considerably lower than many competing exchanges. Furthermore, holding KuCoin's native token, KCS, unlocks additional fee discounts, enhancing cost-effectiveness for active traders. Margin traders can leverage funds up to 10x, potentially amplifying returns, while also increasing risk. KuCoin equips users with advanced trading tools, including comprehensive charting capabilities and real-time market data feeds, empowering informed decision-making. The platform boasts a high degree of customizability, allowing users to personalize their trading environment according to their individual preferences. Moreover, KuCoin's well-designed mobile application provides seamless access to trading functionalities anytime, anywhere. Security is paramount at KuCoin. The platform implements robust security measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for safeguarding user funds, and a comprehensive insurance fund designed to protect assets in the unlikely event of a security breach. KuCoin operates under regulatory oversight in multiple jurisdictions, ensuring adherence to international regulatory standards. For users interested in generating passive income, KuCoin's staking service offers competitive interest rates on a selection of cryptocurrencies. This feature makes KuCoin appealing not only to active traders but also to long-term investors aiming to grow their crypto holdings. In summary, KuCoin presents a versatile, secure, and feature-rich platform suitable for a wide spectrum of users. Whether you are a beginner taking your first steps into the world of crypto or a seasoned trader seeking advanced functionalities, KuCoin offers a comprehensive suite of tools and services to meet your needs. For more information and to explore KuCoin, please check the links provided in the description below.